Hey Primary 3 Math Project, this is Coach Saiful with your daily dose of math mastery, and today we're gonna go into question number 2 of your money math assessment math assessment paper 3. Alright, so let's look at the question immediately. It's a pretty simple question, pretty straightforward question. Okay, the question says Kathy took some money from her savings box and went out. So let's just draw her savings box. I'm gonna draw her savings box right now. So let's imagine she has a savings box like that. Okay, and this is where she can put the money. This is a savings box. It looks a bit like this. And she took some money out from it. Okay, we got that part. Now, let's go into the next part of the question. It says then that on the way, her uncle gave her $250. Wow, very generous uncle, isn't he? So he gave her $250. So this is her uncle who gave her 200, how much? $250. Wow, a lot of money. And then she went to buy a dress for $136. So let's draw a dress for her. Let's draw a pink dress for her. She bought a pink dress. Okay, I'm going to draw this as well as I can. That looks good. Okay, finally, something that looks good on my paper. So these are just sequins, or what they called, glitters. Okay, very cool, very cool, cool. Okay, and this costed how much? $136. $136. Pretty expensive shirt for a small kid. But anyways, what happened then was she found out that she had how much left? She had $360 left in her wallet. How did that happen? So she found out later that she had in her wallet, I'm going to draw a wallet right now, and she had $360 left. Interesting. So let's see. She took out some money. We don't know how much that is from her savings box, and the question is asking you to find the money she took out from her savings box. How much was it, right? So we don't know what this is. But what happened was her uncle gave her $250. So we know for a fact that she has $250 in her wallet at least. Okay, so she took it. She took that money and she spent $136 of it. And instead of having maybe a few dollars left, she has 360. So first off, we need to find out how much she is supposed to have if she only say took the money from her uncle. So if she only used the money from her uncle, which is $250, and you minus 136, you're gonna get the answer of $114. Now this is how much she's supposed to have left without the savings money. So we know for a fact that she's supposed to have 114, but right now she has how much in her wallet? She has $360. So what does that mean? That means that the excess money, the rest of the money, is actually from her where? The rest of the money actually from her savings box. Good job. High five. You're a math prodigy. Awesome. And so we just take $360 and we minus off the amount that she is supposed to have if she only uses $250 of this money. So we get the answer of, let's use our handy dandy calculator, 360 minus 114, and that gives you the answer of $246. Dollars. Dollars. So the question is asking you again for how much money she took out from her savings. So let's check this whether it's right. So let's say if she really did take out $246 from her bank, that means at the end of the day she will have 246 plus 250 in her wallet, which is a lot of money, plus 250. So she would have had $496. If she had spent 136, so we minus 136, we will have 360. So we are correct. So good job. High five yourself. You are a math prodigy. Awesome. And with that, that is the answer. So don't forget, please remember to write down your statement. How much money did she take out from her savings box? She took out, I'm going to write down for you, she took out $246 from her savings box. Voila. And again, like I said, all these questions are pretty simple, but all you have to do is you have to, number one, prepare, practice, and number two, you have to believe in you. Because if nobody believes in you, then if you don't believe in yourself, how can anybody else believe in you? I mean, I believe in you, but do you believe in you? So start believing in yourself. If you find a question is too difficult, trust me, you know how to do it. Everything you need is within you. So with that, this is Coach Saiful signing off and saying you are a math prodigy. Good job.